Okay, students, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to deal the second topic of very first unit of sales management in marketing management field, that is at sales as a function of marketing management. Okay, this is also a very important topic where we have to study about the sales as a function of marketing management. That we all know that sale is a very important part, and what are those functions which are there related to the marketing management. Sales as a function, how we can deal sales as a function of marketing management. Okay, so we have to study in this topic that how we can consider sales as a function of marketing management. So first of all, we come to know about the very first point in this is prospecting. Prospecting, prospecting. It is searching for and calling upon the potential customers. A sales manager should have the potential to find the customer for sales, and the sales manager should have the quality of searching the prospects from various sources, like number 1, existing customers; number 2, trade directories; okay, number 3, inquiries; and number 4, cold canvassing. If we talk about the fourth one, that is the cold canvassing, then what is that? Cold canvassing, this involves calling on prospects who may or may not need the products. It means that we have to call the customers without knowing that whether the customers will purchase the products or not purchase the products. So the very first function of sales related to the marketing management is prospecting. In this prospecting, what we have to find out, we have to find the potential customers, that who are the potential customer, who is having the potentiality to purchase the product, who is having the money, who is having the need, who is having the desire to purchase the product. Those comes under the group of prospecting or potential customers. The very first is what? Potential prospecting. The other point related to sales as a function of marketing management is maintaining customer records and information feedback. What? The second one is what? Maintaining customer records and information feedback. Okay, so related to this point, what we can say that customer record customer record keeping is an important activity for sales people who focus on getting repeat orders from the customers. Maintaining the records of customer through database management system is one of the quality or attribute of a good sales manager. These records will help the company in restructuring its relationship with the customer. So this is what the next important thing is, what we have to get the things related to that. Okay, the third important part is what? Providing service. Providing service, what? A sales manager should have the quality to motivate the sales people to meet many customers, and a sales manager should provide after sales services to its potential customers. The third important function is what? Providing service. It is not only that sales manager, the salesperson only is being confined to the customers related to the sales activity. They have to motivate the customers also. Okay, the fourth is what? Handling complaints. This is also a very important part. Most of the time the dissatisfaction is being generated with the customers related to the product information or related to the product services, anything related to the products. Then at that time, it is the very important function of a sales management to convince the customers while converting the dissatisfaction of a customer into its satisfaction part. Okay, so dissatisfied customer tell 6 other people on an average about this cause of complaint. So a sales manager should have the quality of dealing with complaints quickly and effectively. This ability of sales manager to react sympathetically creates goodwill. When dealing with customer complaints, it is important to sales manager to understand the anxiety level of customers and the difficulty that the customer may be facing because of the problem. Okay, so this is what the handling complaints, how we are going to handle the complaints of the customers. The fifth one is what? Tour management. Okay, a sales manager should have the knowledge of area of the sales of goods. So it is very necessary for a sales manager to plan the route of its salesperson, that how they are going to plan the route of the salesperson. Sixth one is what? Relationship management. The management of relationship with key customer is a major responsibility of a sales manager. So to maintain a good relationship with the potential customer, sales manager should have the capability to design a sound relationship management policy. Okay, this is related to the sixth point, that is known as what? Relationship management. The management of a relationship with key customer is a major responsibility of a sales manager. So to maintain a good relationship with the potential customer, sales manager should have the capability to design a sound relationship management policy. Okay, and the seventh function is what? Physical quality. Exactly, physical quality is also a very important term. In this physical quality, a sales manager, what kind of physical quality do sales manager have? So this also shows the appearance of the customers. Okay, so what kind of physical quality does the salesperson have? The very first is health. The health of a salesperson should be very sound. Okay, the next one is what? Posture. That in what posture they are going to talk to the customers, they have to learn those posture. Okay, sixth one, the third one is what? Voice. That at what tone they are going to talk to the customers, how their pitches would go up or would go down. And the fourth one is what? Appearance. That what kind of appearance they are going to show to the customers, that is related with the physical quality. Eighth one is what? Mental quality. Okay, the eighth very important function of sales management is what? Mental quality. Now here we are going to learn about what kind of mental quality does the salesperson do have. The very first mental quality is what? Alertness. The salesperson should have to be alert at every time. Okay, at every time they should be very much alert related to the situations when they are talking to the customers. Then while talking to the customers, they should be very much alert while listening the customers, that what they need and all those things which the customers have told. The next one is what? Imagination. That what kind of imagination they are having, according to those imagination they behave. The third one is what? Self-confidence. That what kind of self-confidence part they are having. Fourth one is what? Initiative. That what kind of initiative they are giving. Fifth one is what? Sound memory. That what kind of sound memory they are going to give. Then sixth one is what? Resourcefulness. That what kind of resources they are going to provide to the salesperson. All these related to the mental quality. Ninth function is what? Character quality. All these qualities comes under the characteristics, or we can say that the functions, okay, that they should have. The ninth is what? Character quality. In this character quality, they should be very much honest. A salesperson should be very much honest. Second one is it should be courageous, that they can talk to anyone. The third one is sincerity. Their sincerity also talks that they should be very much sincere related to their work. The fourth one is what? Loyalty. That they have to provide the loyalty. Fifth one is what? Determination. They have to show their determination towards the works. And sixth one is what? Industriousness. Industriousness means what? Hard working. They should be very much hard working. Okay, the 10th function is related to the social quality. Okay, the 10th function is related to the social quality. That what kind of social quality does the salesperson have? Number one, ability and eagerness to meet people. They do have the ability and eagerness to meet the people. The next is what? Effective speech. They do have a very sound and effective speech process. Courtesy. They are having the courtesy, means they have to respect, give respect. The fourth one is what? Tact. Tactfully they are going to do the things. Uske baad fir cooperation. They have to cooperate with each and with everyone. Sixth one is what? Good manner. They have to deal in a very good manner part. Sixth one is what? Patience. They have to maintain the patience. And last, tolerance. They have to tolerate the the things. Okay, and 11th one is what? 11th function is what? Ability to define the positions, exact functions and duties in relation to the goals the company should expect to attain. Exactly, they do have the ability to explain the goals and how the goals of the company are being achieved. They should have the ability to deal with that also. 13th is what? Ability to utilize time efficiently. Time is a very important factor for sales management. They have to, sales manager or sales management personnel, they have to manage the time very much effectively. That they have to, if they have to meet the customer at home, then at what time they will meet the customers at home. If they have to meet the customers in the office, then at what time they have to meet the customers in the office. So this is what a very important time management part which should be maintained. It is a function of the sales management. 14th one is what? Ability to allocate sufficient time for thinking and planning. Exactly, they do have the sufficient timing to allocate the sufficient time for thinking and planning. And 15th one is what? Ability to exercise skilled leadership. They do have the ability to exercise with the skilled leadership part, that how skilled leaderships are, and they have to deal with the skilled leadership parts. Okay, so these are what? These are the 15 different points related to the management. Okay, students, today we have did this, and on the next day we are going to deal the other part of sales management. Okay, thank you to all of you.